is an overview of the VariQuest Design Center Software and Motiva 400. Before we dive into the software, I want to point out that you have the ability to click on Workroom Assistant in the upper left corner of the software, then Setup, and then School Information. From here, you can enter in the name of your school and upload your school mascot. When you do this, it puts it on every template that requires a school name and mascot, so it's tailoring your templates specific to your school. This is going to save you so much time when you're creating your award plaques, your bumper stickers, etc. To do this, simply click Edit Name, and from the touchscreen keyboard, enter in the name of your school. When you click OK, it saves it here as well as onto the various templates. Likewise, with your mascot saved on a thumb drive, pop that into the available USB port on the side of your design center and proceed to click Browse. Under the Drives column, you want to choose the drive that your mascot is found on. Click on the mascot or logo that you want to upload. You get a nice file preview here, and when you click OK, again, it saves it here as well as onto the various templates. Another time-saving technique is the ability to bring in a name list from the setup area of the software. Simply click on the name list button, and here you have the ability to bring in a list of names, which is so helpful when you're creating multiple stickers at a time, award stickers, name badges, etc. This is going to save a lot of valuable time. It also applies to bringing in a list of numbers for your parking permits and things that you want in numeric order. You can simply click on New List and enter in your list of names this way. When you enter in a new list and save it, you will find all of your lists appear on the left column of your screen. You can click on that list then and preview the names over on the right. But another time-saving technique, knowing that you probably have these lists of names already in an Excel doc, go ahead and save that on a thumb drive, pop that into the available USB port, and simply click Import List, and it will import your list of names that have already been created from your Excel document. As you can see here, you can remove lists at any time, and you can also edit your list of names as well. To get started creating engaging full-color stickers and cards, simply click on the Motiva button from the main menu of the VariQuest software. Here, you can choose if you want to print a collection at a time or an individual sticker. I'm clicking on stickers to start. You will find that we have over 1,000 sticker and card templates available in the VariQuest software. To narrow your search, you can search by keyword, but I do invite you to browse categories so you can really familiarize yourself with the great content readily available within the software. You will find that we have our templates sorted in categories and in subcategories laid out in alphabetical order on the left column of your screen. Start by choosing your category. In this case, I'm choosing award plaques, and your subcategory. In this case, I'm choosing student recognition, and peruse the various templates within that grouping. Simply click on the template that you want and click OK to get started. It automatically advances you to the edit screen, and here's where you have some very simple but effective editing capabilities. I first want to point out that, as you recall from before, I had entered in this school name and uploaded this logo. And you can see here, it automatically populated it onto this particular template. So again, it's going to save me a lot of time. Over on the left, I do invite you to become familiar with all the different editing capabilities and know how very easy it is to do all of these things. For example, if you want to change any of the text on your template, just choose the area of text that you want to change. In this case, you would want to then choose the text tab and then edit text. So you can see here, I'm updating the school year to the current school year. And it's very easy to do that from the touchscreen keyboard. I also want to point out that you have a Spanish letters key, so you can type everything in Spanish as well. When you're done, click OK, and it saves your changes. You can adjust your font style, you can adjust your text size, all kinds of editing capabilities here. You can even click on the Graphics tab and bring in a new graphic. I can click New Graphics, and I can find a graphic within the software. There are over 7,000 full color graphics to choose from, or you can bring in your own graphic as well. My tip to you is to save your graphic on a thumb drive. Pop that into an available USB port on your design center and proceed to click Find My Own Graphic. Choose the drive that your graphic is found on, the folder it's in. When you click on your graphic, you get a nice preview over in the right or on the right, and when you click OK, it saves your graphic onto your template. I, in this case, though, am going to search for a graphic already within the software. You will find, just like our templates, our graphics are sorted in categories and in subcategories, so it makes it much easier to find the graphic that you'd like. I'm clicking on Education, and I'm going to then take a peek at the graphics here within the VariQuest software. When I see the graphic I want, I just simply click on it and it positions it right onto my template. I can resize it then and drag it to where I want it to go on my template. You can bring in simple shapes as well. You can also click on the Colors tab and it brings up a color palette, allowing you to recolor things on your template. So you just click on the area that you want to recolor, choose the color that you want to change it to, and it changes it for you. You can even click on Custom Color and represent your school brand by typing in the RGB value or the hex number that correlates with your school colors. So again, I invite you to become familiar with the different editing capabilities on your own time. One other thing I want to point out though real quick is the ability to bring in a name list. We covered that earlier in this video. Here's where you want to then click on in the individual template, click on the text box where you can insert the recipient's name, and then in the text, from the text tab, you'll see the button that reads Name List. Here's where you click, and you can then go ahead and retrieve your previous saved list of names. Click OK and OK again, and then you can see how it puts the first name in that list on your sticker template. When you're ready to proceed, click Next. It will ask you if you want to save your changes, yes or no, and then it proceeds to land on the media type and width screen. Here's where you choose the media type and width for optimum print quality. Then proceed to click Next, and it advances to the print preview screen. Here, in this case, it recognizes that there are 5 names in my list, so you can see how the quantity has already adjusted on its own, and I do have a Show All Previews button that I can click on so I can preview each individual sticker before I print. When you're ready to print, just click Print and it sends it to the Motiva. It prints your stickers consecutively and shears in between each one. If you're creating an award plaque such as this, when your sticker is done printing, peel off the back, mount it on a plaque, and you're ready to present it to a student, a staff member, a parent, or a parent volunteer. It's that easy. So whether you're creating an award sticker, a name badge, a bumper sticker, flashcards, whatever it might be, this is the process that you follow. Another feature unique to the Motiva is the ability to print parking permits. Simply choose stickers, then browse categories. You want to then choose the category of whole school and select the subcategory of parking permits. You will find that there are a variety of parking permit templates to choose from. This is so ideal at the high school level to really save some time and money. Choose the template that you want and click OK. From the edit screen, note that just like you can bring in a name list, you can also bring in a list of numbers. When you do that, it'll put an individual number on an individual parking pass and print them in consecutive numeric order. So go ahead and make your edits and then click Next. From the media type and width screen, choose the Motiva Clear sticker media and choose Next. When you land on the print preview screen, you will note in the upper right corner there's the ability to mirror your printing. Put a check in the box next to mirror printing and choose Print. You will find when it prints everything in reverse so that when you mount it inside your vehicle window, you can read it the right way from the outside. Another way to save valuable time is by printing Motiva collections. The collections consist of pre-designed templates that are arranged in a group that print at one time. Simply click Collections and then browse Categories. Choose your collection category and then your subcategory and choose the collection that you want to print. When you click OK, it advances you to your media type and width screen. Here's where you select the media that matches with what's in your Motiva. We recommend using our Motiva white gloss sticker material, great for printing those collections that are going to go in interactive notebooks, etc., or our cardstock material. Our cardstock material lends itself nicely to study aids, flashcards, words for your word walls, etc. When you click Next, you land on the print preview screen. And here's where you have the option of clicking on Select Templates. When you do that, you're able to preview all of the pre-designed templates in that collection. And you have the option of deselecting ones that you do not need to print. When you're ready to print, simply click the print button in the lower right corner and your collection prints in minutes. The last feature I want to cover in this video is the ability to print a PDF file. If you design something in a different software program, if you can save it as a PDF file, you can upload it and print from your Motiva. Simply save your PDF to a thumb drive, pop that into the available USB port on your Design Center, and proceed to click the My PDFs button. Here, you want to select the drive that your PDF can be found on, select the folder it's in, and the PDF that you wish to upload. You get a nice file preview here, and when you click OK, it just takes a few minutes to upload. Once uploaded, it lands on the media type and width screen, where again you want to choose the correct media and the width that matches with what is installed in your Motiva. Proceed to click Next. And from the print preview screen, just simply click the print button in the lower right corner and it prints your PDF file in minutes.